If your Opera downloads keep showing the interrupted error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This issue is often caused by Opera's built-in VPN changing server nodes during a download, which can break the connection and stop the file from finishing properly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn off the VPN, change your download location, and disable battery saver so your downloads can complete without interruption. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, look at the top of Opera and find the VPN badge just to the left of the address bar. This badge gives you quick access to Opera's VPN controls. Click it once to open the VPN menu. If the VPN is currently on, you'll want to toggle the switch to off. This is an important first step because if Opera's VPN switches nodes while the file is downloading, the connection can drop and the download may fail with the interrupted message. Once the VPN is off, Opera will use your normal connection, which is usually much more stable for downloading files. Next, we're going to adjust your download settings. Go to Opera's settings menu, then look for the download section. Inside downloads, find the location path and click the change button next to it. This lets you choose where Opera saves your downloaded files. For the best results, select a completely neutral location such as your desktop. Using a simple, easy-to-reach location can help reduce issues and makes it easier to find your files after the download finishes. While you're still in the download settings, turn on the option that says Ask where to save each file before downloading. This setting is really useful because it gives you a chance to confirm the save location every time you download something. That extra step can help prevent files from being saved to a problematic folder and gives you more control over the process. After that, we're going to check one more setting that can affect download stability. Go to Features in Opera Settings and then find Battery Saver. Toggle Battery Saver to off. Battery Saver can reduce background activity and may interfere with downloads, especially if your browser is trying to conserve resources. Turning it off helps Opera stay fully active while files are being downloaded. Once you've completed these 3 changes, turning off the VPN, updating your download location, and disabling Battery Saver, try downloading your file again. In many cases, that's enough to fix the interrupted download error in Opera and get your downloads working normally again. If the download still fails, double-check that the VPN is really off. Confirm your save location is set correctly, and make sure Battery Saver didn't turn itself back on. Small browser settings like these can have a big impact on download reliability. I hope this guide helped you fix the Opera interrupted download error quickly and easily. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Opera fixes in the future.